save the world from Donald Trump. His fiance. Okay, wait. The girlfriend turned into fiance. We have 3 stories today, and let's see how many we can cover because I am even not sure, and one is way too big, right? First one is Aita for firing my best man for proposing at my wedding. Okay, this sounds interesting, so I took it. Okay, it starts like my wedding was supposed to be the happiest day of my life. Yeah, it is supposed to be happiest, right? My wife and I spent months planning every detail, and it turned out perfect. Almost. The author says almost. My best man, let's call him John, 32-year male, has been my closest friend since childhood. Naturally, I asked him to be my best man, and he accepted with excitement.
बेस्ट मैन क्या होता है?
Like the best friend. Best man is like we have many, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, बहुत सारे bridesmaid.
हाँ.
So there is, I guess, best man for the male, or correct me if I'm wrong, I don't know.
भाई मेरे को तो नहीं पता.
But it's literally like best friend. Like if you have your nearest friend, best friend with at your wedding, it will be best man. You really don't know?
नहीं पता.
Okay, let's continue with the
ठीक है.
story. The ceremony was beautiful, and the reception was even better. Everything was going smoothly until the speeches. John got up to give his best man speech. Okay,
वो बेस्ट फ्रेंड से शादी कर रही है क्या?
it's a story about a 30-year-old male and a 28-year-old female. Okay,
मेरे को लगा 30 साल का मेल और 20 साल की फीमेल.
नहीं. So they are getting married, and the man is talking about his best man.
अच्छा, he is talking.
Yeah, he is talking
अच्छा.
about his friend giving
Oh.
speech.
Oh.
Bro, try to understand.
भाई उसकी स्पीच से ऐसा क्या हो जाएगा तो? ठीक है.
Okay, so John got up to give his best man speech. At first, it was full of the usual jokes and heartfelt stories, which everyone enjoyed. Okay? But then, out of nowhere, he turned to his girlfriend, who is a 25-year-old female. So, he turned to his girlfriend and started talking about their relationship. Before I knew it, he was down on one knee, proposing to her right there in the middle of my reception.
मेरे को पता है किस टाइप का वो है कन्फेशन. इसमें वो नहीं होता कि जो उसे ऐसा लगता है हाय राम मेरी वेडिंग चुरा ली तूने, अलग से ही कर लेते हैं.
Yes, it's okay. So he proposed to her girlfriend. Okay, in the middle of John. No, John is the name of this guy who proposed to her girlfriend. And in author's reception, the room went silent. I could feel my wife's hand squeezing mine tighter and tighter. John's girlfriend said yes, and everyone started clapping and cheering. But I was fuming.
भाई उनका दिन चुरा लिया.
He should be fuming. I felt like my special day had been hijacked. Okay? It had been hijacked. Instead of celebrating our marriage, everyone was now focused on John and his fiancée. His fiancée. Okay, wait. The
Wait.
girlfriend turned into fiancée.
अरे
Right there.
वाह.
Okay. After the initial shock wore off, I confronted John and told him he was out of line. He said he thought it would be a great surprise and assumed I would be happy for him. I told him
भाई
he was...
अज्यूम नहीं करना चाहिए था. पता है पूछ लेता यार मेरे को ये ऐसे करना है. लोग प्लान करके करते हैं ये, ऐसा नहीं.
It's not a big deal.
बट ऐसे सब भाई उनकी शादी में उनको ये सरप्राइज देना होता है. लेकिन
A few minutes later.
Let's get back to the story. So he thought that the groom will be happy. I told him he was selfish and inconsiderate, and I ended up kicking him out of the reception.
you need to leave.
He ended him kicking him out of the reception. Now some of our mutual friends are saying I overreacted and that I should have let it slide for the sake of our friendship. My wife fully supports my decision, but I'm starting to wonder if I was too harsh. Aita for firing my best man and kicking him out of my wedding for proposing during my reception.
पता है मेरे को क्या लगता है, इसका एक ही सोल्यूशन है, अपनी वेडिंग में लोगों को मत बुलाओ, कोर्ट मैरिज करो, बात ही खत्म.
Bro, I mean, ठीक है, it's not wrong to propose to your girlfriend, but he should have asked for the consent of the bride and groom first, because it was definitely their day, their reception. They waited for it so long, and then when someone else stole someone's limelight, then yes, it was their right to feel sad.
कोर्ट मैरिज करनी चाहिए.
हाँ ओके, कोर्ट मैरिज कर लो भाई, सारी प्रॉब्लम्स ही खत्म.
चलो नेक्स्ट स्टोरी.
Let's move to the next one and give your opinion on this one, because I don't know, it was not that bad, but still you should have considered asking for the bride and groom. Yeah. Should we read some comments? What are they saying?
नो आई वांट टू लाइक दूसरी स्टोरी पे चलो.
Okay, let's move to the next one. I think this can be a little big and confusing, but let's do it. The title is Aida for exposing an influencer to her family after she demanded a free painting and $200 on top of that, threatening to tell her followers not to buy from me if I refused. Did you get it?
तू पहले स्टोरी बता, फिर सब समझ में आएगा.
Let's start with the story and let's not judge by titles. So, let me just sit comfortably. My mom's goddaughter, let's call her Jen, asked me, okay, so Jen is 29-year-old female, asked me, the author is 25-year-old.
वो गॉड डॉटर मतलब मेरी माँ की भगवान की बेटी.
I don't know, let's see and unfold it. My mom's goddaughter, let's call her Jen, asked me to do a painting for her because she saw I did one for a mutual friend. Let's call her Anna. Okay, so Anna is Jen and author's mutual friend. She saw her doing it for her friend, so she asked her to do a painting. Jen wanted the painting as a gift for her father, who is a retired photographer. Okay, here's the thing. Anna paid me for the painting and everything went smoothly. She posted a picture of the painting with her mom as she was gifting it to her. Well, Jen saw that painting and why I'm lost. Well, Jen saw that painting and became interested in one for her father. Okay. The problem is she wanted me to do it for free. She said she would advertise it on her Instagram and tell her fans to buy from me in exchange for the painting. I told her no, as I am not in a great financial spot right now and I cannot afford to do something for free. Yeah, as she should. Like, why would she create an art for free? It's maybe her job. So, she wanted a custom sized canvas which is not commonly found in stores. I would either have to have it made myself or try to find it online for a reasonable price. Bro, I'm getting lost in these stories, they are so long. Are you getting it? Yes, you're getting it because I'm getting it. So where were we? Yeah. She said I already had the materials on hand and that she didn't think art materials were that expensive.
ओ भाई, मैं खुद आर्टिस्ट हूँ और इतने महंगे होते हैं ना.
Yes,
मैं पता है अभी तक मैंने कुछ क्यों नहीं बोला बीच में, क्योंकि मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि एज एन आर्टिस्ट मैं घुस के थप्पड़ मारूं. फिल्म में पेंटिंग दे दो, मैं तो मुंह पे मना कर देती हूँ. साफ सीधी सी बात है, एकदम डायरेक्ट रहना चाहिए. ये तो जब जान खा चलो मेरी बनने.
Should I continue?
बेवकूफ लोग.
इसके अंदर का आर्टिस्ट जाग चुका है.
जाग चुका हूँ मैं.
She accused me of being greedy and not having a vision for business.
और
Claiming that her exposure would be more valuable than my art.
नहीं चलना तेरे को खुद को जब किसी चीज़ की कदर नहीं है तो तू क्या तेरा एक्सपोजर, क्या तेरा, चल पागल.
She also said she wanted me to pay her $200 on top of the free painting.
मैम एक मिनट
Wait. Arguing that with her help, I would make so much money and companies pay her to review things. Wait. She is asking for a free painting and she is asking her for $200 from the painter? Where is this going?
$200 यानी कितना था? रुक जाओ मैं सर्च करती हूँ.
It's expensive.
पागल है क्या है? लाइक यू नो कुछ लोग मुझे बिल्कुल एकदम टफर, एकदम 16,000.
She pointed out that every creative artist or individual, including her father, did free work at the beginning. Okay, that's kind of true that you do freelancing in the starting.
अरे फ्रीलांसिंग नहीं, बात ये हो जाती है कि वो प्रैक्टिस करते करते उनको, क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस करनी होती है, मोटिव ये होता है. अब वो उसका करियर है और तू बोल रही मेरे को पैसे भी दे दे, मैं भी कर लूँ, और भाषा ये भी कर.
Okay, wait, let's finish this.
पागल.
Everything went downhill when she noticed I wasn't replying. I was working. And she started talking down on me because I was let go from the military. Right? I was let go from the military for medical reasons beyond my control. She said I had failed at everything, including that, and that she was giving me the option to succeed and make my parents proud. What? What is she doing?
ये ऐसा लगता है मेरे को आता ना जाता है इसको जिंदगी में.
Since I was not replying, she called my mom to complain that I didn't want to do a free painting for her. As I mentioned, she is my mom's goddaughter, and my mom seems to have a preference for her. Okay, I'm getting confused. What is a goddaughter? Can you search? Like, author's mom, who is she actually?
उसकी बेटी है, मतलब बेटी उसकी बेटी
Who
है.
is a goddaughter? Just search it up. You need to know. It's a new vocabulary, guys.
A girl who's the goldchild of one or more grandparents. क्या?
तो मतलब क्या है वो, उनकी बेटी या just someone you adopted or something?
Offspring of पता नहीं क्या.
Okay, let's move on to the story. Okay, so yeah, her mom has a preference for her. Mom called me back and demanded I do the free painting. I do the painting for free. I became enraged. Yes, as she should. Jen's words about my parents not being proud of me stuck in my head. So I decided to draw a 2-second sketch and told her that was her free painting and to leave me alone. Would you do the same?
मैं तो वो भी नहीं दूँ, मैं तो मुंह पे ठूस दूँ कागज पानी.
She became really angry and threatened to post on her socials, telling her followers not to buy from me and to ruin my art career. I have received a few phone calls from my mom, which I have not answered, and some hate messages from what I assume are her followers. So, Aita for exposing her text to her family, including the internet. What?
क्या?
Is she the a-hole for exposing her text to her family,
No, not at all. वो जो लड़की है
including
ना,
the internet?
ये जो फ्री में पेंटिंग वगैरह मांग रही है उसका दिमाग खराब है, मेंटल हॉस्पिटल में जाना चाहिए. इसका सर पकड़ के मैं होती तो दीवार में भिड़ा
Yeah,
देती.
मतलब लोगों को ना ऐसा लगता है कि if someone have some creative thing then और वो उनको जानते हैं तो वो उनको लिए फ्री करेंगे सब कुछ.
कोई अगर किसी को डांस आता है तो तुम क्या उसको बोलोगे मेरी शादी में आके फ्री में नाच, तो नाचेंगे.
हाँ, बोल भी
बेवकूफ.
देंगे.
तो कोई किसी को डांस करने के लिए थोड़ी बोलता है कभी भी कि तू इधर आके हमारे लिए डांस करके दिखा. थोड़ा सा शर्म आती है, लेकिन आर्ट के अंदर लोगों को शर्म आती है.
मुझे बना दो, मुझे बना दो.
क्यों बना दूं, क्या हो तुम?
हाँ.
नहीं बनाना.
इट एक्चुअली पता है ना बहुत हार्ड वर्क है. आर्ट इज जस्ट ना, यू हैव टू लर्न एनाटॉमी ब्रो.
हाँ, एमबीबीएस के फर्स्ट ईयर में पढ़ी जाती है और मैं इतनी छोटी पढ़ रही हूँ.
Yeah, she learned anatomy even herself. She had no one to guide her. So, we should read a little bit of comments about this one.
ठीक है, बट इस हाँ ऑफ कोर्स सब उसके अगेंस्ट में होंगे. अच्छा, ये ये गॉड डॉटर का मतलब एग्जांपल यह है, इफ़ योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड हैज़ अ बेबी गर्ल एंड आस्क यू टू बी द गॉड मदर, दैट बेबी गर्ल बिकम्स योर गॉड डॉटर. अच्छा, लाइक सम ठीक है, लाइक एक आइडिया, रफ आइडिया हो चुका है इसके वजह से.
Okay, maybe I didn't get it. The more influencers who get exposed for the cons they are, the better. Expose away. Yeah, expose away.
Yes.
These influencers think that they can do anything. Okay, this would be fire because the one thing we artisans hate is someone dismissing our work as a hobby
अरे भाई
that isn't worth paying for, especially influencers. If I am ever caught donating my time and art, it's for a decent charity. When someone less fortunate than me can get assistance, not for someone online yapping to other people.
मैं बताऊँ, अगर कोई इंसान जो सच में बढ़िया लगे ना और जनरली अच्छा लगे, आई विल लिटरली गिफ्ट देम अ पोर्ट्रेट लाइक उनके बर्थडे पे. लेकिन अगर कोई ऐसा जाहिल है, मुझे बोले जा रहा है मेरी पोर्ट्रेट बना दे, मेरी पोर्ट्रेट बना दे, जबकि मैंने मना करी, तो मैं उसको कभी भी नहीं दूंगी. ऐसे तो मैं बर्थडे पे भी दे दूँ.
Right.
A few minutes later.
I am tired. Yes, so the next story is actually very long, very long.
It's a long story.
Very long. Do you want to see it? I mean, look. It's this long. Oh my hell God. Are we reading it? Are we reading it or not?
हाँ, अच्छी है तो रीड कर.
एंड द फर्स्ट टू स्टोरीज वो मुझे पता थी, मैंने पहले पढ़ा था. इस वाली का आई हैव ज़ीरो आइडिया. मैंने शुरू के वो पढ़ा था इसका टाइटल, एंड टाइटल वाज सो गुड ब्रो. इट्स सो शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट. द टाइटल इज आयता फॉर रिफ्यूजिंग टू मेंड थिंग्स विथ माई ओल्डर सिस्टर.
क्या?
आयता फॉर रिफ्यूजिंग टू मेंड थिंग्स विथ माई ओल्डर सिस्टर. It's about siblings fight, I guess. Right? Bro, do you think we should read it?
हाँ बिल्कुल बहन.
Or save it for another video?
अरे नहीं, इसमें
Okay, let's do it. Let me just sit freaking comfortably. Please don't mind me. I am not wearing anything fancy underneath. Okay, the title is Aita for refusing to mend things with my older sister. First, thank you all for reinforcing that I have made and am sticking to the right decision, re-big sis and mom. And sorry for the delay. It's been a wild week at work and with kids. I think she have kids.
लिखा हुआ है, you think.
Yeah.
You think क्या?
Yeah. My nightmare is that mom becomes one of the unhoused people on the streets of SF, screaming into their own reality. I'm relieved big sis is taking her in. But they don't need anything from me to prevent this from happening. BIL is a retail. What is BIL? Is a retail exec. They live just outside the Bay Area, where it's more affordable, and they will be charging mom a small amount of rent. Okay. Re-expenses. Big sis is converting her garage into a room for mom. She is converting a garage into a room.
तो और स्पेस नहीं होगा ना.
Maybe. Mom has told me they don't have the money for this project. But I'm like, if this was true, they wouldn't do it, right? What project they are doing? Mom has a history of blowing her money during psychotic episodes. My 80-year-old female aunt, who's cared for mom the last 5 years, took control of her. Bro, the background noise are literally irritating me.
कोई नहीं, कोई नहीं.
Don't mind it. My aunt, who's cared for mom the last 5 years, took control of her bank account and gave her a weekly allowance, condition of living with her. Okay, so I think कि ये अपनी सिस्टर के साथ रही है.
मतलब उसकी मासी.
और वो क्या करती थी, उसका बैंक अकाउंट कंट्रोल करती थी उसके साथ रहने के लिए. ओके. I told aunt to tell big sis about mom's spending issues, So they are prepared, helping protect her from herself and themselves. That is rent. Okay, rent बचा लेंगे वो, ठीक है. Financially. Example, aunt gave mom her debit card while she was away on vacation over the summer. Mom donated her entire checking account to Kamala Harris election campaign. Wait, what? Okay, let me read it again. Mom donated her entire checking account to Kamala Harris election campaign in an effort to save the world from Donald Trump. Okay, wait. Her mom donated everything to Kamala Harris in election campaign to save the world from Donald Trump and had nothing left for food, gas, 6, weed. I think she's on drugs.
वो बोला हुआ है ना psychotic episode, like she's
Yeah,
mental
yeah,
disorder. So
yeah.
how can you say this
yeah,
or
sorry.
say sorry to me? Because I'm a psychologist. I was a psychology student.
Sorry to everyone, sorry to me also, okay? Okay, so उसने सब कुछ डोनेट कर दिया कमला हैरिस के इलेक्शन के लिए ताकि वो दुनिया को डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प से बचा सके और उसके पास अब फूड वीड किसी का पैसा नहीं बचा. Went to aunt for more money. This is part of why my aunt has said no more. Her kids can help her better than I can. Aunt is also finally retiring after decades in nursing. I'm so happy for her. She tells me she wants to at least 1 year to herself before she dies. She's going to be sick, but जो पीछे कुत्ता भौंक रहा है ना,
तो थोड़ी देर रुक जा. थोड़ी देर रुक जा. बंद कर दे इसको.
1 hour later.
So we were at that she tells me she wants to at least 1 year to herself before she dies. I empathically approve. Aunt cared for us kids, cousins, my mom, our granddaughter. She's selling her house and traveling this year, which sparked this what do we do with mom convo. Okay, so I think अब तक उसकी aunt उसकी mom की care कर रही थी. So now that she is retiring, तो अब इनका convo start हो रहा है that what do we do with mom. I offered assistance to aunt stupidly, but she told me to no, not my place. Let big sis or others handle mom and to keep me and the boys away from the crazies. So I did, and eventually big sis offered to take in mom. So actually you know ये पैराग्राफ है री एक्सपेंसेस का कि कैसे पहले उनकी आंट ने मॉम को रखा और इनके क्या क्या एक्सपेंसेस हुए. ठीक है, नाउ देयर इज नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ विच इज री लिटिल ब्रो. 29-year-old male. Our new digs have a small ADU guest house in the backyard. He just got out of an abusive relationship. We are creatures of pattern over here. He spent the most time with mom out of all us kids and until recently never received therapy or mental health treatment. So I am covering shelter and food for him, but he is covering the rest of his needs. Okay, now we get कि इसकी sister इसका food and shelter दे रही है, बाकी खुद वो खुद कर रहा है, इसका जो भाई है. He doesn't have insurance, but the low cost free options around here are helping. Appointment availability and travel times are rough, but hopefully enough for him to find a job with actual healthcare benefits. Okay. Offering him this space wasn't entirely selfless. I benefit too. He's a great uncle. Kids called him the Funkle.
Funny because he is funny.
Yeah, because he's a funny uncle, it's Funkle. Babysits when I need it, helps cook, does yard work, walks the dog, and help with other small things. Hugely appreciated by me. Of course, yeah, he should be appreciated. This is so good, like, obviously. These things are tough to stay on top of in a single parent household. He has NC with mom or big sis for his own reasons, okay? When I told him about this convo with mom, he goes typical. He goes typical. This is in this. What do you call it?
क्या?
These two not exclamatory. I'm so stupid, guys. These
Inverted
signs.
commas.
Yeah, inverted comma. I don't know, whatever.
बहन तू टॉपर थी ना?
Yeah, I know. Sorry.
कैसे टॉपर हो
Yeah, suddenly याद नहीं आ रहा.
अरे कोई नहीं.
Okay, let's get back to the story.
कॉलोनी के बच्चे आ गए.
We can do nothing about that. Okay. Read the events of that night. As far as I know, Kiddo wasn't violent to himself or others that night before being locked in the room. Big Sis' complaint was around him not obeying her, about not turning on the hose. Summer California 2010, major drought, water restrictions. Okay, so it was the time of 2010 California summer. He straight up ignored her and kept turning on the hose. Do you know what hose is?
Hose?
It's, gas का घुमाने वाला. That is hose.
अच्छा जैसे बंद चलू.
No. हाँ, बंद चल्लू. So he straight up ignored her and kept turning on the hose.
अरे भगवान मारेगा क्या सबको?
I suspect she may have tried or threatened to spank him, something that would have been triggering considering the environment we had just left with his dad. Either way, he called her the B word, threatened to run away, and this is what made her upset and resulted in him being locked in the room. As he should be grounded, bro.
वो उसकी एज क्या है?
Oh, he is a 29-year-old male, not a kiddo. And he called his mother that?
But is he like suffering psychologically?
Yeah, maybe. Let's see. His behavior once in the room had to have been terrifying. Throwing himself at the door, trying to break through the door. Maybe this is why she insisted he stay in there. I don't give a shit either way. No kiddo deserved this. I did not learn that she spanks her children until after talking to other family members after this event. Hence the suspicion about how things escalated to this point. Uber and Zoom both existed and have been used for the last 10 plus years. Zoom existed before the pandemic, lol. Maybe they were not available in your areas, professions, but in the Bay Area they were. So she is talking that Zoom was available 10 years back. Re-support for us since that night. Oldest kiddo and I have been under the care of psychologists since this event.
कि किडू कौन है?
I don't know. Bro, I'm getting lost in this story.
बाय बाय. अब नेक्स्ट पार्ट में बनाएंगे. हमारी दूसरी चीज को देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें. बाय बाय. अब हम थक चुके हैं.
Oh wait.
सब्सक्राइब.
This is getting so raw, guys. I'm
Bye.
telling you, we didn't scripted anything. We just opened the camera and started talking.
अब नेक्स्ट पार्ट में देखने के लिए हमें सब्सक्राइब
This
करें.
story is so big, guys, and I'm telling you, this is going to be so fun. This is going to...
We will create all 3 parts.
But we definitely need to cover this story.
हाँ वो नेक्स्ट पार्ट
And I actually need to understand this first, actually.
Yes,
Because
she's a kid.
Because I am
Very
actually not understanding this. Like, who is the kid? I think she's talking about her brother.
बट अभी के लिए बाय बाय गाइज. टेक केयर गाइज. खाना खा लेना गाइज.
We will see you in the next one. And yeah, it will start from this Bachivi story.
बताएंगे कि किडू कौन है.
हम बताएंगे. We will reveal who the kid is. I think तुम ही इतने समझदार होंगे कि समझ गए होंगे. But हम इतने पागल हैं कि समझ नहीं पाए कि ये किडू कौन है. भाई इसका भाई और कौन है.
किडू कोई नाम होता है.
अरे यार वो प्यार से बोल रही है यार.
वो बच्चा.
Okay, thank you for listening to me. Thank you for watching us. And please like, share and subscribe if you liked it. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.